Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So I just thought about something that I didn't share earlier in my story video. So I turned my business into a brand in 2014, in January 2014. Got logos made, got a brand, created a brand name. And in 2015 or 16, if I'm not mistaken, I did an interview with an internet radio show called Blacktopia. And it was Jonathan Coleman, Barbara the Country Lady. It's a country kitchen lady or country lady? And Adrian Charleston. Jonathan created the radio station. Barbara had a cleaning company at the time. And Adrian Charleston is a psychologist. And they were all the radio show hosts. And Barbara, they put you in the hot seat. So Barbara asked me questions about my business, getting people familiar with me and the business and getting to know me. And she said, did you know that there are at least five major brands following your business? One of which is Unilever. I can't remember the other one. She may have said, I don't know if Johnson & Johnson is a part of Unilever, but it was like Unilever, let's say Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. I don't remember all five. I don't even know if those are, I know for sure that Unilever was one of them. But I don't know about the other two, Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson. I'm not sure. But she said, do you know that there are at least five major brands following your business? I was getting so many good reviews and so many people loved my product that I had major brands watching. And again, this was about 2015, 16. And now when you go into stores in 2020, you see a lot more natural products and a lot more natural brands. They're not all natural necessarily like mine was. Some of them still do use chemicals and preservatives, which is something that I pride myself on not using because of the medicinal benefits. But nothing happens by mistake. Everything happens for a reason. And again, don't let anything or anyone discourage you. We're all connected in some way. So a lot of times, I remember when I was a little girl and I thought, I wish that you could see somebody in a video while you're talking to them on the phone. But of course, at that time, I was thinking about home phones. Never thought of the cell phone idea. But then, of course, I was a little girl, right? Maybe 12 years old, somewhere around in there, and I'm now 47. And then years later, in my 20s, they came out with the very same thing that I imagined as a child, right? So just because someone came up with the patent first, we are all full of good ideas. And sometimes we need to write those things down, get a patent, get it trademarked, get it copyrighted, or whatever legal steps. Even if you do a ghetto, what they call it, a unofficial copyright, where you mail it to yourself in an envelope and don't open up the envelope just in case you have to go to court or something like that. But yeah, sometimes when we come up with an idea, we need to actually see it through and not let anyone tell you it's a stupid idea or you shouldn't do that or there's too many other people doing this or there's too many other people doing that. Just keep going, man. And don't listen to the naysayers. So that's part of I'm not going to edit them together. I'm going to have them as separate videos. But if you want to see more, go ahead and check that video out. Love y'all. Later.